Good morning. I'm about to fix breakfast. It's almost 10 o'clock. Don't look at my hair. And I do a small breakfast and I also create a protein coffee to drink throughout the rest of the morning until lunch. I've already took my vitamins and my medicine and drunk some water already. So now it's time to go ahead and fix breakfast. So I'm going to take one of these chicken sausage right here. One link is 160 calories with 14 grams of protein. And I'm going to take one egg, which is 70 calories and 6 grams of protein. And I'm going to add a slice of cheese, which is a slice of cheese is about 50 grams of, not 50 grams, 50 calories and about 3 grams of protein. So I'm going to put these two together and apple sausage with chicken sausage that is apple flavored. They look like this. I'm going to eat one. I might not eat the whole thing. And for my protein coffee, I'm going to be using my clear little cup right here. I want to fill this with ice and then I'll come right back. All right, we're back. So I have my ice. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple protein coffee. Especially if you like coffee but you don't want all the extra calories. I get this from Sam's. This is the donut shop iced coffee. It has no added sugar and it's about 15 calories per serving, which is 12 fluid ounces. 1 gram of protein, it really don't matter. But I don't really even do a full 12 ounces. So I take my cup and I just go to like halfway with coffee. And then I take a protein shake. Doesn't matter what flavor. Right now I've been on the Nourish brand. Here, this is the vanilla milkshake and you just shake it up a little bit. That's what it says on the package. And this is 150 calories with 30 grams of protein. So I take that and I just pour. Perfect. Then I just take my straw and just swirl it around. And there you go. The protein coffee is done. So my eggs are done right here. That's my breakfast and that's gonna hold me till like 1 o'clock. I also got a little bitty piece of toast. I'm probably not even gonna eat this whole thing. Um, yeah, so that'll hold me till like 1 o'clock because my endocrinologist suggested that I eat in smaller increments but more frequently. If that makes sense. So eat, because I have been struggling with eating food. I drink my food. I drink a lot of protein shakes and stuff like that. I'm trying to acclimate myself back into actually eating food, but better choices. So I still have my protein coffee in the morning. That's going to take care of 30 grams off the rip. But you need at least 60 to 80 straight out of bariatric surgery. I'm coming up on 8 months post-op gastric bypass. Um, I'm about 2 pounds away from 100 pounds down, and I love the way I've been losing weight. I have not been doing a drastic weight loss like I've seen other people doing, which I was so afraid of. I do have some sort of bat wing, but my arms were never really big, and my legs and stuff. I've just always been a thicker person, not thick, but like have a broad stance. I got broad shoulders, and the only reason why I have a belly is because of a C-section. That was not great, and yeah, I talk about it on my channel. You can go find the video. So yeah. So I have an apron belly. The only way I'm going to get rid of that apron belly is plastic surgery. So that's out the way. Let me go eat, and yeah, I'll probably come back with lunch. I'm thinking about doing some grilled chicken bites and like a broccoli Normandy type of situation, California blend, whatever you want to call it, vegetables, and maybe a little pick-me-up drink. I'm thinking about making a cool drink with Alani and a refreshing thing I found at Aldi's. Captain's Log. This is all I got through. So I'm gonna babysit this for the rest of the morning, and then when I finish eating, you need to wait at least 30 minutes before you drink anything. Now you a little posh, just take a sip. Don't drink the whole thing. That will cause everything to just keep pushing down when it needs to actually digest. So yeah, I guess I'll be back around 1. It's currently 10:30. I think I finished cooking at 10 something. So this is all I was able to get through. Half an egg, half a sausage, half a piece of bread. And that's just fine. I have no problem heating this sausage link back up. I'll probably sit on the eggs more, and then throughout the day eat the salad. Throughout the rest of the morning eat the sausage. But yeah, that's about it. All right. It is lunchtime. It's 12:52. And I'm about to fix my lunch for today, which is some grilled chicken bites, and I didn't have any fresh vegetables left, so this California blend, which is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. So yeah, it says you can steam them in the bag, but I'm just gonna open this bag up and just put them in the microwave. For some reason, this cat, like, whenever I'm in the kitchen fixing food, he gotta be in the kitchen eating his food. So, this is about 25 calories for a cup serving. I'm just gonna eyeball it. They didn't even mind cutting up none of these. Jesus. Look how big that piece of cauliflower is. But that's enough. Just put that cauliflower alone. Also, I like to, I got a scale, so I'm gonna use my scale here and put about a serving size, which is 3 ounces, 110 calories, which is 16 grams of protein. So I'm gonna put that on there and measure out 3 ounces of chicken. There we go. And I do season it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little olive oil on here. a little olive oil, and a little Kinder's buttery garlic herb here on it. So I just put a little bit. I put the olive oil on the vegetables, not the chicken. As well as the seasoning is going to be on the vegetables. And then I just put this in the microwave. I don't really like using the microwave. I like to just use the oven, but it's lunchtime. I work from home and I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm backed up on editing a lot of material for my job. So this is going in the microwave for about 4 minutes. So it took me about a couple of minutes. It's 1-on-1 now. So time to eat. This is my lunch. And I have about 30 to 40 ounces of water in here that I've been babysitting all day. So that's what I'm about to do. Make sure you eat your protein first. All right. I gotta get all this ice off the floor because my cat is kicking it around like it's a game. I was in Walmart one night and I love the noodles, the protein noodles, but I saw Annie's had one and I wanted to try it. This is 15 grams of protein plus 5 grams of fiber. So if I did it as prepared, there's about 2.5 servings of 1 cup. So in 1 cup, it's 15 grams of protein. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna pair this with about 3 ounces of grilled chicken and probably some more of that California medley. Okay. I don't have regular milk. I have pantry milk that I keep on stock just in case something ever happens. The way this economy is going, I don't know. But it's here. And I didn't feel like going to the store just for some milk anyway. Especially after this ice storm that we had. People went crazy and bought all that milk that needs to be in the refrigerator. But what if the power goes out? What you gonna do with it? Exactly. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'll come back and show you my plate when I'm done.